or maybe some other machine, water ionizers are prevalent and available almost every place. If you can find somebody who's making that ionized water, tell them to give you a 2.5 pH or 2.5 to 4.5 pH of water. We need a 2.5 pH water, which we also call as acidic water.
Okay.
So take this acidic water inside a bottle, a spray bottle, and spray this water on the skin where you have eczema.
Okay.
In the morning, in the noon, and in the evening, 3 times a day.
Okay.
Are you following it?
Yes,
you need
I
acidic water.
Acidic water.
2.5
What's the name of it?
pH of water.
And what's
Somebody
the name
who
of
has a 2.5 pH acidic water.
2 point. But what's the name of that?
The people who have a ionizer machine will be able to give you that water. Any company, you just go and find, who is making the ionizers in your place. Just go for a demo to them and tell them, give me 1 liter of acidic water. That is a waste water that is going out from that machine.
Okay.
Ionizer is actually giving you alkaline water, and the disposed water is the acidic water. Okay. You tell them to fill you 1 bottle of acidic water while giving their demo.
Okay.
Is the water coming from AC out?
No, it is not that. No. Ionizer, 2.5 pH water. Get 1 liter of a bottle and put a spray and spray this water 3 times in a day. Follow the ideal diet. Do Vaman for the next 3 days and do your enema for the next 1 month.
Okay.
I have seen people here whom I gave this remedy within 15 days, their eczema had vanished.
Oh, okay.
15 days is all it takes. Maximum 1 month, not more than that. But let me tell you, you will have to do seva. You will also have to do meditation morning and evening. That is a must. By local application and by food, you may, change the physiology, but that eczema may change its place if you will not change your mind pattern. You have to make yourself positive from within also.
Yes.
For a lasting result. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, Hemangini.
Thank you very much.
Hello, sir. So I guess since there is no more other hands, I can ask a question now.
Yes.
So I was, when you were talking to Parvesh, you said about the dinner time, and you said you can have a full dinner, like a roti and everything. So if somebody has a gas problem, is that recommended to have the gaseous problem, or so is that recommended to eat like chapati or heavy food in the evening?
As per Ayurveda, when we are working in the whole day, we are productive. And when we eat anything heavy in the day and we start working, Ayurveda says, if you want your enemy to die, give him food and tell him to work. He will die earlier. So if you want to run after your own death, then eat heavy in the day and run after doing your work. What happens when you eat a heavy meal? 60% of your blood actually moves towards your stomach. You have to do your work with the rest 40% only. That is why after having a heavy meal, you will start feeling sleepy. You would like to lay down for some time, for half an hour or 1 hour. It is always recommended in Ayurveda, it has been said, once you take a heavy meal, take a nap, sleep. Do not move about. Do not make any mind application. Do not move your brain, and do not do any other physical exercise after eating your food. So night is the best time when you should have your full meal. I mean, that is the best time. Otherwise also you will see the whole day as is the day moving on. The morning time you will find your office, your residence, all the things are getting clean. We take a bath in the morning. We are
Yeah.
also cleaning everything in the morning. So what we should eat in the morning should be a material which cleanses. And the cleansing material, first of all, is the Akash Tat, where we don't eat anything. That gives the best cleaning to our body. The second is the juices. Then is the fresh fruits and the salads. And finally, the night time when we can have our food. So I think this is the best system as such.
So is it recommended to, is it okay to drink the fresh juice? Like if you take a salad in the evening, so is it okay to take a fresh like squeezed orange juice in the evening, or it's usually juices are only for the mornings?
Juices are for the morning. You can even have them in the evening, but better, we do not mix two things as such. The best time for a juice is the morning time. Morning, I mean around 10 to 11. Straight
Okay.
away in the morning around 7, 8, it should not be. You should not
Okay.
eat anything as such. Breakfast should be, break your breakfast. Otherwise, it will break you fast.
I've heard that, yes.
Break your breakfast. Don't take breakfast.
Thank you
Okay,
so
so
much.
Intermittent
Yeah.
fasting is the best in the mornings. Yeah.
I have
Thank you.
another question I have. You said that 2 tomatoes and cucumber and cut them and blend them. Can we squeeze the juice out of them in the juicer?
You can make a juice out of that.
Okay. That's
You can
easy.
squeeze juice out of that.
I have a
Pratiksha, go ahead
question.
and ask.
Yeah.
Yes, Pratiksha, go ahead.
I would like to know the woman procedure for high blood pressure person. And thank you very much for today's session. It was really good knowledge. Thank you
What
very
you want
much.
to know?
A woman procedure for high blood pressure person?
Yes, it can be done. Enema
So-
is more recommended for a person who's having high BP. Enema works much better, and an ideal
Okay.
diet. I mean,
Okay.
your blood has to be purified. The cholesterol, the triglycerides that are loaded in your blood must be clarified by taking an ideal diet. And you must take an enema every day, morning and evening, 2 times in a day. This is highly recommended for you.
It's not for me. I'm asking for
The
somebody
one
else.
who's having the problem of BP.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank
I do
you.
understand the BP indicates that your heart has to function much more rapidly. Why is it
Yes.
so? Because your blood has become a little thicker.
Thicker.
Why the thickness has come to the blood? Because there are toxins. From where the toxins are coming? The toxins are
From
coming from the food and from the
food.
colons, from where the absorption is taking place. So if we can make our colons toxin free, and we can add good nutrients by taking an ideal diet, all the 5 elements are consumed. This is the best remedy. You will find the BP will vanish in 21 days. Just a moment,
Okay.
my milkman has come. Just a moment.
So it should be for 21 days, huh?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Okay.
for diabetes, yes, 21 days. And woman, you should start with 3 days. He said like in 3 days, you will see like a good result. And
Yeah, but
Chaitali
woman is for the
asking-
upper portion and the lower portion. So
Enema
Woman
is for
is
lower
mostly for upper
Upper
portion,
portion.
like it is the cleaning of your
I
upper
don't think I
stomach.
can do that.
You
I
do
don't
it.
think
I
I-
did it. When I did it first time, they made us do it because I was in a yoga training, and they made you do it. All this stomach procedure. There is one more Shank Prakshalan. They did it. It took like the whole day to clean your colon again.
I took a
Yes, sir.
dragon fruit and I had all day. I have went. My colon was clean. By 1/3 dragon fruit.
Yes. Okay. Pratiksha, go ahead and finish your question.
no, that was about it. Yeah, I just had a question
Okay.
about, yeah.
And Chaitali had a question, sir, if you have time.
Okay.
Yes, tell me.
Komal, if you can ask that the burning feet, very like you have to put in the water, like ice water.
That is because the acidic content of the body is much higher. You will need to do 4 to 5 days of Vaman in the early morning without eating anything, empty stomach. In the morning, take Vaman and also do enema for the next 1 month, in the morning and in the evening, both the times, twice a day.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Thanks a lot.
Okay, Chaitali, go ahead and ask your question.
Chaitanya, you want to open your camera?
Yes. Hello, sir. Thank you for a great lecture today. Can you please explain about the blood pressure you just said about anemia, the pot thing?
Yeah, enema pot you can find from the surgical shop, Chaitali ji. And
Okay.
you can take an enema of around 200 to 400 ml of water. You can put some 700 ml water in the enema pot,
Mhm.
hang it around 4 feet above the toilet seat. There's a pipe which is attached to that enema pot. As the water comes out from the tap, there is a nozzle. You can even put one 13 number urinary catheter to that. Is easily available with the shop, in the
Okay.
surgical shop. Put some lubricant while putting this nozzle or the catheter to your anus. Lubricant, I mean, coconut oil is one of the best lubricants we can apply. A few drops are sufficient. And as you will switch on the tap, the water will start going inside your colons. You can
Okay.
take lukewarm water in the initial stages. This will be more helpful in cleaning your colons. So
Okay.
colons are already holding around 5 to 7 kgs of toxic material, which has been retained over years inside your body. So once you start taking up this enema, that toxic content will be released out of your body, which is otherwise getting mixed inside your blood, which is the main culprit of increasing your BP.
Okay.
And
Okay.
once you understand that you have to have a healthy diet, which includes juices, which includes fresh vegetables, fresh salads, fresh fruits in
Mhm.
the daytime. I mean, go a little closer to the nature.
Okay.
The nature knows the best.
Right,
See,
right.
before the God made you and me, He made the plant kingdom, and everything is available in the plant kingdom. We have all kind of things that are required for our growth, for our repair and maintenance. But the bad part of it, we are not looking at the nature. We are eating food which is cooked all the time. So
Right.
once we start taking natural food, we become natural.
Okay.
We
Do
take
you
unnatural food, so we become unnatural.
yeah. Do you recommend any fresh juice for blood pressure? I mean, I know Loki's good, I've heard.
Yeah, Loki
For-
is good, and this cucumber is also very good. Cucumber
Okay.
juice and Loki juice are good. You can
Okay.
even take that this 2 Karela, 2 tomato, and 1 cucumber juice for the next 21 days to release out toxins from the body. This is
Okay.
very good in cleansing the system as such.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Chaitali.
During
I
even
have
one,
one. Oh, go ahead, Sajal.
yeah, just quick question on that enema thing. So just want to know, you said that we have to use it for a month, right? So does it not make you dependent on it? I mean, after you stop using
I've been
it,
using it from the last 13 years. You see,
I mean, you can stop
it
it
is
without
your
using.
choice. Like when we eat our food, whether to take some water and do a cleansing of your mouth, that all depends upon you. Let us say we are in our house, we eat our food, and then we do a gargle, we clean our mouth. We go to somebody else's place, we may not do it, or to a restaurant, we may not do it. But then that does not make any difference as such. Similarly, what I'm trying to say, once your colons are free of the garbage, the toxic content that was there, it becomes much more easier for your colons to throw out the toxins from there. So your bowel movement will improve a lot. You will not become dependent, but you will become more independent and toxic free as such. And the nature will make you feel so good in your own self. There are so many things attached with an enema, and doctors do not support it. Of course, the naturopathy doctors like me, we use that as the first tool in our clinics, because Your sewerage line is the one which is actually giving you the most problems in your life. Blood is prepared there. So once your colons are free of that toxic and the garbage part of it, no more troubles are remaining in your body. I mean, you are released of all the ailments and illnesses. So you will not require any medicine in your life. Choice
Yeah, my only
is
worry
our
is,
own.
yeah, my only
It is
worry
our
was like, I
choice.
don't want to be dependent on this to, have a nature call, doing nature call. I just don't want to be dependent on the animal thing after a month time. So if
You see, after a month's time, then you may need it whenever you require it. Maybe
Okay.
once in a while, if you are constipated, you want to release out your bowel and you want to use it, you can use it.
Okay.
But you will see a new change, a new beginning of life after using enema. It's like a doctor, the cheapest doctor available that you can have in your house. To tell you very honestly, I have not given any medication to my child. My daughter is now 8 years. And when she was very young, I still remember she was just 20 days. And when she had a problem, she was getting a lot of diarrhea. So I was also not very sure whether I should be applying, but I did one thing. I gave her an enema of a very small amount of water. And I still remember that released her entire toxic waste from the colons, and then she was free of diarrhea. Whenever she gets a fever, maybe even in the late night at 2 in the night, I may get up. I will not give her a tablet or any kind of medicine. I just give her an enema and the fever comes down.
All right.
This is the
Thank you.
best doctor. If you start sneezing or you have developed any of the symptoms of cold or cough, take an enema. You will find the cold and cough will disappear. The advantages are many, and there is not a single disadvantage of enema. But the disadvantage is only one. You will not buy the medicines. You will not go to the doctors. You will become your own doctor. You will recommend it to others once you apply it. Use it. Make a research. What I am saying, you will try it in your own laboratory on your own self. Next time when we meet, then tell me how you felt it.
Sure. Thank you.
Tell others. Yeah, thanks a lot.
Usually
Right.
the doctor says that vomiting makes your sodium lose and diarrhea makes your potassium lose. So anemia and vomiting doesn't make any difference. Vaman, I mean.
Enema, we are adding the water. We are adding the water from outside. We are not taking the body water. So when you are talking of magnesium, potassium, or other minerals which are deprived from the body, or when we are talking of getting any kind of water problem, or maybe dehydration in the body, that maybe if it is been derived by your own body when you are using your body water. Here we are adding the water from outside.
Oh, okay.
See, we are very smart. We're not using the body water. We are adding the water from the top to do Vaman. We are adding the water to do the enema. So here we are not depriving the body or making any dehydration in the body.
I used to do the Vaman for migraine, so that helped me. But that's
for migraine, Seva and your this meditation are also very good tools. Other than the Vaman, and that cold wet pack is also good.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir, can I ask you something?
Yes.
Sir, if I had like one question always in my mind. People like my mom used to tell me that garam pani mein thanda pani nahi milana peene ke time par. Jab pani zyada garam ho jata and we add like little bit of water, does it really harm us, or it's just belief system which we follow?
When you are making hot water or cold water and you are mixing them outside your body, that does not matter much.
Oh, okay.
The temperature which is retained in the water is the one that is going. But yeah, you should not take very cold things.
Right.
As
After
you see,
drinking
the
the
cold
hot
things,
water.
they actually freeze the inner line of the stomach. So the juices will not be secreted properly.
Okay, okay, got it. And another
So just
question.
ensure that you don't take too cold.
Okay.
Very cold
No,
and
when
very hot should be avoided.
yes. No, when I like do the water warm in the morning for drinking, sometimes it gets hotter. And when you're in hurry, you just add little bit of cold water in it to
That
just, you
is
know,
fine.
the,
That is fine.
okay.
No problem
Okay,
with
okay.
that.
Okay, sir. Yeah, that was only the question. And the other question is from our group. Today she is not here, but her son is having a sleeping issues. He cannot sleep. He's just 20 years old, but he kinds of stay awake all night. I don't know the sleep disorder, what it calls, but can it be helped with anything here?
Sleep apnea,
Meditation.
I think.
Okay.
Meditation is the best for him. Make that person
Okay.
sit for 10 minutes of meditation. After 10
Okay.
minutes, go and see in the room, he will be sleeping.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
He was
Ravindra
actually,
sir,
sir, he was actually also recently diagnosed by ADHD or some kind of symptoms also from the school.
ADHD symptom. He was diagnosed from ADHD symptom because here
What
in
does
the school,
ADHD stand for? Just tell me the entire thing.
it's like the syndrome which
Attention deficit disorder.
attention
See, the
deficiency
syndrome that
disorder.
you're talking of, actually what happens, the mind is very active and that is the only hindrance in creating the sleep. If the mind can be made a little relaxed, that can be done by avoiding all kind of, movies and the gadgets in the night time, dimming the lights, because once the dim light is there, the melatonin starts produced in your body. And once you close your eyes and you are with your breath, so, your mind starts sinking in, all the thought patterns, they stop as such. You will see a sea change. Just tell them to do meditation. The best and the most ultimate remedy for insomnia is one, and that is meditation.
Right. So
Tell
do
them
we
to
have
do
more
some seva.
time?
If he can do some seva from his own hands, so the joy which will be coming with that seva or the service that he is going to do will instill such a deep sleep. He will just love you for that. He will say, I have not seen such a kind of a sleep for the last so many years. Tell him to do some, once your hand becomes like this, the entire life changes.
Very true, sir. Very true.
He'll become a king in his life. The nature will start supporting and giving him whatever he needs. The world is for the people who are rich here, who are abundant here.
Can I
So
say
do we
something?
have time for, yes, Ravinder sir's question? Do you have time? We passed like time a lot, like a
Ravinder
lot
ji,
more
ask
than I
me.
said. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Hiren sir, I have a problem of life-saving drugs allergy. So
Okay.
what is the remedy for that? Right
Don't
now,
take
I
the life-saving drugs. That is a simple remedy. Don't take any drugs.
Drugs means what? Allopathy medicines.
I'm talking of that only.
I'm not taking. I'm not
You are
taking.
not
but
taking any.
No, I don't take anything. If the head is
That's good, na?
there is a headache, I just remove it, keep it outside, and then after 1 hour, I'll just say that it is there. Still, it is there. Keep it out, and then again put it. Mentally, I'm keeping it. Yes, I'm not going to take it, but my family members are more worried about it because they say that now you are very young. I'm just 6'5". You're very young, and in this Corona period also, I'm moving out almost for doing the giving the service for the pyramid persons who they want something, that pyramids or something like that. I'll go and collect it from the pyramid and then pack it and dispatch it. So is there any remedy for getting rid of life-saving drugs?
Yes, for sure, sir. I have not been using any drugs or any kind of medication from the last 13 years in my life.
Okay.
I have tried all kind of remedies before that, as I told you, for migraine, for shoulder pain, for back pain, for every kind of medicines I was trying 4 years continuously. And after that, when I learned about meditation, I learned about seva, and I learned about the right ideal diet. These three things, they change the entire pattern.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I have never given my any medicine to my child. My daughter is around 8 years now. I have never given her any kind of medication as such. It's not
Okay.
required. The life is very simple, sir. We made it so complicated.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And I would like to thank all the participants, and in particular Komalji and Prachiji for inviting me on the stage over here and for giving me the chance to serve you people. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
Sir, you just
Thank
shared your wisdom like amazing.
Thank you very much.
Thank
This
you.
is
Thank
We
the
enjoyed your
session.
session.
Yes, everybody
Very much.
participated. This is the first session that everybody had a question and they participated. And you made them participate actually. It was awesome. Thank you so much, sir. And he
Thanks
is
a lot.
such a great personality. I just texted him before 3 days and he said yes. He's very
I think we have been blessed that whoever speaker comes, we just ask them for 1 or 2 days before and they just say yes
and
to
they
us.
say yes.
So thank you so much, Dhiren sir, for coming and staying late because we passed more than half an hour. So I really appreciate you coming and answering all the questions for the patients. Thank you so much.
And like I
Thanks a lot.
said in
I'll try
the,
to be back with you people if Komalji and Prachiji permit me. I'll come back once again with you after 15 days.
Yes,
What
sir.
I have taught you today, start practicing it, and we will take your views upon it after 15 days.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
That's good.
You
So
are
we
your
will
best
start.
doctor.
We will start
You are your
again.
best doctor. Keep this in your mind. You are your best doctor. Do the research. Just my saying will not make anything. In the next 2 or 3 months, I will make you a doctor.
That is wonderful. That is, I think, first time somebody came and said that rather than people say go to the doctor, and you're saying just you will become. I'll make you a doctor. So, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank
Thanks a
you.
lot.
We will start again. This is our almost 37th day, and we are finishing this in next 4 days. I think Patriji is coming on 9th May, actually 10th May as per India. So this is
When
our
he comes-
biggest blessing that he said yes.
When he is coming there, just tell him about me. He knows me very well.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That we had
Yes,
a
sir.
session
We'll
of Dr.
definitely
Dhiren.
talk about all the speakers. Yes. Thank
And
you
give my
so much.
regards to Patriji sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Sure, sir.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you so much.
thank you.
sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank
Have a very
you.
good
Thank you
day,
so
sir.
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Good
Good
night.
night.
Bye.